In the tribe land of Dan, which was next to the country of the Philistines, there lived a man named Manoah. One day, an angel came to his wife and said,
"You shall have a son, and when he grows up, he will begin to save Israel from the hand of the Palestinians. But your son must never drink any wine or strong drink as long as he lives, and make sure his hair must not be cut."
Days passed. The child was born and was named Samson. He grew up to become the strongest man.
We should somehow know what is the secret of his strength. He had killed a lion and thousands of Philistines with his hands, without any weapons. Somehow we need to kill him.
As a young man, Samson liked a girl named Delilah.
Even though she belongs to Palestine, I wish to marry her.
One day, Samson went on his way to see Delilah. The Philistines happened to see this.
Do you know this? Samson is coming here often to meet Delilah. Maybe something is going on.
We should strike a deal with Delilah so that we can learn the secret of Samson's strength.
Yes, this is the best opportunity.
So they went to Delilah to make a deal with her.
Delilah, if you really come to know about the secret of Samson's strength, you will be surprised.
But how can I wish to marry him.
We are so curious. If you find out, we will be willing to give you a big reward.
This tempted Delilah.
Okay, it's my pleasure. How will I know about Samson's secret of strength? Maybe I will make his favorite food and just ask him.
So Delilah got busy making a nice meal and waited for Samson to arrive.
Please come. I had been waiting for you. Please sit. I have prepared your favorite dish for you.
As he began to eat,
I am feeling very proud of you. When compared with others, you are the strongest person I know. If you don't mind, may I know the secret of your strength? What makes you so strong?
If you tie me with 7 green twigs from a tree, then I shall not be strong anymore. Okay, I think I will have a small nap.
Delilah went out and told the Philistines who were waiting outside. They brought her 7 green twigs and gave it to Delilah.
I will tie him with this rope. Wake up, Samson. The Palestinians are coming in search of you.
And Samson rose up and broke the twigs and went away with ease.
No, this is not a secret.
I will do my best to find out his secret.
The next day,
I did that to have fun out of you. At least now tell me, what is the secret of your strength?
You can bind me with new ropes that are not used, and I cannot get away.
while Samson was asleep again, Delilah bound him with new ropes.
Wake up! The Palestinians are coming!
When Samson rose up, the ropes broke as if they were thread.
You don't trust me. How come you say that you love me? Why do you hide your secret from me? If you really love me, tell me the truth.
Okay, I will tell you the truth. I am a Nazirite under a vow to the Lord, not to drink wine and not to allow my hair to be cut. If I let my hair to be cut short, then the Lord would forsake me, and my strength would go from me, and I lose all my strength.
Saying so, he went to sleep.
Somehow, I found out the truth. I need to call the Palestinians.
Then Delilah knew she had found the truth. She called the rulers of the Philistines.
I found out the truth.
While he was sound asleep, Delilah took a razor and shaved off all the hair. Then, as usual, she called out,
Wake up, Samson. The Palestinians have entered into the room.
He awoke and rose up, expecting to find himself strong as before.
What happened? I feel like an ordinary man. Oh, what happened to my hair? It has been shaved off. My vow to the Lord has been broken. I'm a prisoner now.
Listen, pluck out his eyes and throw him into prison immediately. Now he's become so weak, and no one will help him. Tie him up and put him in prison.
Blind Samson spent his days in prison, praying to the Lord.
Oh, Lord, please give me back my strength. Please forgive me for breaking my vow given to you.
As days passed, his hair grew long again, and with his hair, his strength came back to him, for Samson renewed his vow to the Lord. One day, a great feast was held by the Philistines in the temple.
Our enemy Samson is come into our prison by God's grace. So let us all be glad and praise our God.
Shall we bring Samson to this party?
Yes, we can make fun out of him.
And the temple was thronged with people, and the roof over it was also crowded. Samson was brought to the temple.
Tie his hand to those two pillars. Oh, my Lord, remember me. I pray thee, and give me back my strength only for this time. Oh God, help me to set the people free. Let me die with the Palestinians for the mistake I had done. Please forgive me for this time.
And he bowed forward with all his might and pulled the pillars over with him, bringing down the roof, killing all the Philistines, including himself.